The JBL Endurance Race. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the JBL Endurance Race True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, ear tips, and ear enhancers. The earbuds feature 10 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.2, 6mm drivers, ambient feature and app, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IP67 waterproof. It also comes in 3 colors, white, blue, and black. The case is compact and slim with a matte finish. It has some gloss strips along the bottom and the side. The top has the branding. On the front, you have the status LED. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds are fairly small with a matte finish just like the case. The inside face has the ear markings, and the outer face has the logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, ear fins, charging contacts, microphones, LED, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Playback and call controls are straightforward, a few taps to activate. This has app integration. Once you're connected, you can see the battery status, toggle the ambient sound feature, and select from EQ presets or customize your own. You can also change the touch assignments as well and access the general settings. The case comes in at 2.9 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 45 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on it. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JBL Endurance Race microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in fair during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds.
I found them to be comfortable. It created a snug, tight fit and they felt secure. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls are a plus since they don't add additional pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. Touch controls are responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable at 10 hours and 30 total with the case. I like the app integration along with the IP67 rating. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and ANC. The ambient feature was fair when activated. The microphones picked up the surroundings. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep and punchy and definitely not lacking. Even on the default settings it was plentiful, and when adjusting the EQ it takes it up another level and it comes in heavy. Mids and highs were clean and clear. I felt it could use a bit more separation. It does fall more on a warmer sound signature and it gives you an energetic feel. But you do have the option of customizing the EQ to tailor your listening preference. Overall, I feel these earbuds are definitely good for those that lead active lifestyles. It has the IP rating to protect you from the elements and the sound will give you an energetic feel. So that is my review of the JBL Endurance Race True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.